Hello, thanks for visiting my channel today. I have a job with Sitel. It's a seasonal customer service representative job and it is a work from home job. At Sitel Group, they deliver leading customer service solutions to global insurance clients that offer their consumers an array of products, including to answer all questions and or concerns regarding products or services. This is a great opportunity for you to learn, lead, and grow. Sitel invests in their people. Their new associates have an opportunity to focus on what matters most, their career growth. You can grow with them, and all your calls are inbound calls only, no cold calling. At Sitel, their talent is their strategic differentiator. By bringing a diversity of perspective through their people and ideas, they create an environment of support and learning where all of their differences are valued. Sitel is proud to be an equal opportunity workplace. And here are the benefits for working with Sitel. Working from the comfort of your home, full-time schedule, $14 per hour, and incentive opportunities, 100% paid training, the flexibility of a seasonal role with the opportunity to become permanent, employee discounts, referral bonuses, Sitel Fit Wellness Program, internal mobility, which is 84% of their managers are promoted within. After applying, you'll complete their video interview where you'll get to know each other better. Be sure to look for an email from interview@hireview.com for your personal link. After you complete your interview, their team will review your application and be in touch after 24 hours to discuss which position best matches your skill set. Sitel Group has more than 20 years of experience hiring for their customer support roles. Their modernized application technology benefits their customers and you. Skills and abilities. Effective verbal and written communication skills is needed. Exceptional customer service background needed. Interacting effectively with a variety of customers is needed. Passion to independently meet and exceed goals. Ready to help and provide a memorable and delightful experience is needed. The requirements for this job: flexibility to needs of business, must have a high school diploma or GED equivalent, 18 years of age. Whether using your own device or one of ours, you must have the following: one standalone monitor, 19-inch, hardwired connection, no satellite or wireless, a working phone line, home phone or mobile. Home office must be a noise distraction free environment, desk, and an ergonomics chair. To apply for this job, click the apply button at the bottom, and there's also one at the top. Okay, on this page, you will be able to upload your resume and attach a cover letter. And you will enter your email, retype your email, choose a password, and it shows you what's needed for the password in the blue box. Retype your password, then first name, last name, country, region, you can select where you're from, United States or other, phone number, Also, they would like to thank you for your interest in the Sitel group. They are excited to get to know you. If you wish to upload a resume or a cover letter, please feel free to do so. But it is not required to process your application. Required fields contain a red asterisk before the label and must be completed in order to submit your application. Now you put in your personal information, street address, city, state, zip code, country, and are you available to perform the essential job functions with or without reasonable accommodations? You'll answer that. And here, employment information. Have you ever been employed by Sykes or Sitel? And to let you know that Sykes is a part of Sitel now. So your answer here, yes or no. Well, more than yes or no. They have current employee, former, never employed. If yes, please provide the last 5 digits of your social security number. Do you have a high school diploma or equivalent? Of course, that's yes or no. And are you authorized to work in the country in which this job is located? Yes or no. Are you at least 18 years of age or older? Yes or no. And then you will type your signature here, and first and last name. Do you have the ability to work from home? And you'll answer that question. What type of internet connection do you have? And you'll let them know if you have, let's see, they're probably going to ask, do you have both Wi-Fi and wired, or do you just have one of them? Also, so you will consent to receive access, sign, and authenticate certain documents, forms, letters, and other information electronically. So you will click here. You'll read all this information for yourself, and you will click put electronic signature consent. Let's see. I agree, and type the signature. Please type your name into the box below, right here. Then you have some questions down here to answer. They ask some general questions like, are you 18 years of age or older? Are you authorized to work in the United States? So you must reside in the U.S. for this role. Do you have your high school diploma or GED equivalent? Sitel does not offer employment in the following states. Okay, right now you can read these states for this particular job. Once again, thank you for visiting my channel today. And if you found this information interesting today, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the notifying bell so that you will be notified of more job opportunities.